This is part 3 and final part of my video on what karma do you bring from your previous lives based on your 12th house placement in astrology. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Natalie. I offer private astrology readings, link in bio to schedule your appointment. You can watch all of my videos on YouTube, as well as follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Everything is at Intuitive Healing. Starting with Sagittarius, you are here to learn how to be less reckless, more careful, and more responsible. In previous lives, you probably died from speaking your truth, speaking the truth, or fighting for a cause, or traveling through foreign lands. Sagittarius in 12th house is here to learn about cause and effect. That placement is here to learn that your recklessness and thoughtlessness can hurt you and other people. At their best, Sagittarius is a wise spiritual leader who understands the concept of karma, which is basically cause and effect. They're responsible, they're wise, and they're a teacher. At their worst, they struggle with spirituality, they struggle with religion, they struggle with whether they believe in anything and what they believe in, if anything at all, and they live a very chaotic and unstable life. Next, Capricorn. Capricorn is here to learn how to be less cold-hearted and more generous. Capricorn probably died overworking or lived a very hard, difficult life and had a long life of suffering. This is why Capricorn in 12th house comes into this life with a very cold heart. And they generally want to stay away from people. They don't trust anyone. They don't want to get close to anyone. In previous lives, they probably have been monks or people who were basically in solitary kind of situations. And that's really where Capricorn feels the most comfortable. Capricorn came to this life because they're here to learn what it means to actually be charitable, to give from a good heart, and to really do for others and to share their wisdom with other people. Listen to other people. Give to charity. Be responsible, both for yourself and for your community. Work itself is not going to bring you pleasure. What will satisfy your soul is you actually connecting with people in a meaningful way, in a way that pumps blood into your heart. Aquarius, you're here to learn to work for the good in humanity. In previous lives, you probably died through electric chair or electricity, some sort of invention, or probably died in a group setting. This is why Aquarius in 12th house is really afraid of groups. If you work this energy in a negative before, you're probably somebody who made life difficult for your family while also depending on them because you didn't want to carry your own load. You're here to be a humanitarian, learn how to change the world through your creativity and inventions. Pisces, you probably died from alcohol poisoning or drug overdose. You're here to learn about humility and empathy. Instead of running away from your feelings, you can use your art and spirituality to teach yourself self-compassion, listen to your gut, and deal with your anger.